Airbus had the right product for this. They met the challenge. This worked. Boeing's product didn't. So that's why they won it. Yeah, so this will be for, it's any city in Australia to anywhere in the world we literally can operate to. And our intent is to have this out of Sydney, out of Melbourne, out of Brisbane. We already have it our Perth. So this is a national aircraft. It will be used everywhere. The business class, the first class and the premium economy will have a premium, and the premium will be similar to the premium that we were getting on Perth, London compared to a one stop. That's the way the airline industry usually operates. We could have put more seats into it, and the seats were taken out to give this spacious area where people can exercise and hydrate. That's the way this industry works. Airbus had the right product for this. They met the challenge. This worked. Boeing's product didn't. So that's why they won it.
We are very, very happy today to conclude this agreement with Qantas, and off we go. We have a lot of work to develop the airplane, which will enter service in 2025, and we're excited about it.